WhatsApp isn't just a messaging app. It's a hidden gem for earning money. Here's a Q&A guide to help you start making money with your WhatsApp status. WhatsApp status allows you to share text, images, videos, or links, promote affiliate links, advertise products, or sell your own items. Even a small but engaged contact list can bring results. Build trust and provide value through your statuses to encourage engagement. Best ways include affiliate marketing, product promotion, service advertising, brand collaborations, course sales, and content marketing. Create engaging and visually appealing statuses. Use attention-grabbing headlines, quality images, and clear calls to action. Yes, tools like WhatsApp Business allow for automated replies and better contact management for your campaigns. Earnings vary based on audience size, engagement, and method. Affiliate marketers can earn $100 to $1,000+ monthly. Absolutely. All you need is your WhatsApp account and creativity. Start with products you believe in and scale as you grow. WhatsApp Status is an underrated platform for earning money. Start today and monetize your network.